What happens if my naturalization case is denied? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm heading downtown today to visit the immigration office on an N336. Now, what's an N336? An N336 is the name of the form that you file when your naturalization case is denied. So sometimes naturalization cases don't go well. Perhaps the interview didn't go well. Perhaps you didn't give them all the evidence that they needed. Perhaps you failed your test or some other reason that there's a fundamental problem with your case, but you want to take it up on appeal. You think that the Immigration Service made some kind of mistake. And so, except for situations where you failed your test, if you think that the government made a legal mistake in denying your case, if you think there's some kind of fundamental problem that they didn't understand something, or that they are misrepresenting what you said, or that you think that there's something wrong with the decision denying your N400, then you can file an appeal. And the way you do that is by paying the filing fee and filing an N336. So typically what happens is you'll get a written decision in the mail that explains why your naturalization case was denied. There will be a date on that N400 denial, and you will have 30 days from the date of that denial to file your appeal. Now, you do get some extra time if the decision is mailed to you. You get an extra 3 days, but you should never cut it too close. I would say that you definitely want to file that N336 maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks after that decision. If you wait more than 30 days, your ability to appeal that denial is over, and you'll have to start all over, pay a new filing fee, and start the naturalization process again. Now, I really want to encourage you that if you think that there was a legal mistake with your N400, or if you think that they made a mistake, you probably want to talk to a lawyer. Filing an N336 and handling an administrative appeal on your own is probably outside most people's comfort zone, probably not something most people can handle. Now, in a lot of situations, the N336 hearing is pretty informal. It's not like it's a trial. There's not going to be a judge there. Basically what happens is you go down the hall and talk to another officer who's either at the same rank or a higher rank as the officer who decided your naturalization case. So, but you can make it as formal as you want. You have the ability to file a legal brief. You have the ability to make argument. You have the ability even to ask the Immigration Service to subpoena witnesses. So you can make it into a full-blown hearing. Most immigration lawyers don't do this. Most naturalization applicants don't do this, but the law allows and the regulations provide a lot of safeguards and provisions that will allow you to make your case. It's supposed to be a hearing. It's your last stop before federal court. So I would encourage you to really talk to an attorney who knows what they're doing. Do it very quickly after you get that denial. You don't want to wait, because they're going to need time to get the form on file. Now, when you file the N336, you can list the witnesses that you want the government to call. And you should do that if you think that there's going to be testimony from other people that are going to be able to explain things that were raised by the denial. So that's sort of what you need to be thinking about. You need to get that appeal on file, and then after that you can file a brief. You'll have some time before your hearing, usually around 6 months, to continue to develop evidence that you want to bring. If they said that you were missing something, like let's say a birth certificate from back home, that gives you enough time hopefully to be able to track that down. But the important thing is, once you get that denial, don't wait. Don't waste your time. Don't lose time that you could be spending making your case stronger and hopefully getting it approved. We hope this answers your questions about the N336, about the appeals process from a denied naturalization application. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can find us on Facebook at Immigrant Home. You can always pass this video along to other people who think might need it. And if you have any questions for us about this or want us to shoot another video, just let us know and we'll be happy to do it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.